Organising a construction site is hard work. Between deadlines, contractors and health and safety, there's more than enough on your plate. Now add skips, fencing, portable toilets and tool hire to the list, and the pressure piles up fast. That's where Outsource Site Services steps in, your trusted partner for complete site setup and support nationwide. We're a family-run business, built on strong values and the real relationships we've built up over the last 28 years. Our dedicated team works hard to give every customer the personal attention and service they deserve. With coverage across the entire UK, we supply any site from small, remote, rural sites to major city developments and everything in between. Wherever you are, we'll be there. Whether you need skips, site welfare units, temporary fencing, portable toilets or CCTV security towers, we've got it covered. We'll organise, deliver, install and remove so your site stays clean, compliant and on track. Outsourcing to us saves you hours of admin, countless supplier calls and unnecessary stress. We make sure everything shows up when it should. No excuses, no chasing. Our clients range from small builders to national contractors, and they all say the same thing: reliable, responsive and easy to deal with. That's what we strive for every single day. When you work with Outsource Site Services, you're not just hiring a supplier, you're partnering with a team that genuinely cares about your site running smoothly. So whether you're breaking ground on a new development or managing a project with tight deadlines, let us take care of the site setup. Call 0800 208 4884 or visit www.outsourcesiteservice.co.uk to get started. Outsource Site Services. Your site sorted.